Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello all, we are third year Computer Engineering TEB students from Zeal College of Engineering and Research, Pune, Maharashtra. Under Project Based Learning 4, we, Harsh Savkare, Bhargav Suryavanshi, Chaitanya Shelar, Gajanan Wagh, and Shivam Ardalkar have completed a project on Android currency conversion application with map view of a particular country currency under the guidance of Professor Deepak Nayak. So firstly, I would like to point out the objective of our project. That is, a one-stop place where all traders and commercial exchange workers and the general population as well, where they can solve their currency conversion problems and also get to know about various currencies around the world. Now let's move forward towards the introduction part. Our project is all about making work easier for our clients so that they can get an ease while playing with commercial international funds. Our home screen is divided into three sections where a user or client can either just perform the currency conversion or they can be navigated to a different screen showing the map view. Our map view is connected to Google Map API, which allows us to show it in our app. Various currencies in the map view are labeled, and by clicking on these labels, they show the currency of that particular country. Now let's move forward to the architecture of our app. As we all can see on the screen, first the splash screen appears whenever the user clicks on the app and opens it. This splash screen will automatically redirect to the home screen after a few seconds because we have provided a delay time in the code of that splash screen. In the home screen is divided into three sections. The first section is for map view. By clicking on that map view, the user will be directed to a map view screen where, as we can see, these red labels are there, and by clicking on these labels, they show the specific country currency. In the second section of the home screen, that is inputs, three different text views are there. First, the amount that needs to be entered first. Second, currency from, that means whichever the currency of that amount the user have entered before. Third is currency to, that means in whichever currency the user wants that amount to be converted into. In the third section, that is result in our home screen, by clicking on that, the result will be appeared in the toast widget that is provided by Android SDK. So now let's move forward to our code. First, let me show you the output of our project. You can see here we can choose from which currency type we have to convert to which currency type. So I have chosen USD $10 and in INR. So when I press the convert button, a toast message will be appeared with the respective amount. And the second thing is when we click on this maps icon, see what happens. It automatically directs us to a Google map on which I have created these marker labels, and when we click on them we can see the currency of that country. For the splash screen, I have taken this image view and two text views, and the image in image view I have inserted this icon. For the animation part, I have created a subdirectory in resource directory named as nm, and two XML files, top and bottom, for top and bottom animation. In the top file, we can see that there is a translate block and alpha block. Translate block is for the coordinates from x delta to y delta and the duration for how long the animation should appear. And in alpha block, it specifies the transparency of that particular image or text. In main activity, I have created this map image button, and when I click on this map image button, it goes to the Java file of this activity in this on click listener, where it catches that instruction and redirects to the map activity through intent. Other components on this activity are a simple text view to get the text from the user, and two spinners to show the drop down list, and the convert button which shows the text message of the output. For the map activity, I have created two arrays, one for the location where we have to put our marker on, and second the array for the label on those marker. And then I have created a for loop in which both of these arrays will put the marker and label on the screen, and whenever we click on that marker the label will appear. This is the XML part of our map activity. We can't see the map in this fragment, but if I open the accumulator, here we can see our map is properly working, as well as the markers and the labels. Now I would like to share the future scope of this project as per what we have in our minds yet. Is that along with currency conversion, currency exchange module can also be added to this app with an international payment gateway, and we all are looking forward to it. Lastly, I would like to thank our Professor Deepak Nayak, our project guide, for guiding us throughout this activity, and we would also like to thank Zeal Institute for providing us this opportunity and for guiding us for the successful completion of this activity.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.